Hey guys, we're going to be doing a review for Lupin the Third from Revoltech. Lupin the Third! Hey guys, this is the legacy of Revoltech from Callado. So this is actually Lupin the Third. He has faceplates, he has hands there. We're going to be opening him, we're going to check him out and what's included, his paraphernalia, his accessories and everything. Here at the back you got him with jigging and a lot of action poses that he can do with it. And look at that box, very silky, well made. It's actually showing you a premium quality to it. So let's open him up. Okay, this is inside. You got 3 additional hands. Man, and then you got a lot of other hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including a pistol hand. And you got some of these things as well, and a chair. Then Lupin has different heads as well. You got a wacky head, a smiling head, a nervous head, plus other things here. So let's check him out inside. So Revoltech has a thick plastic. So just move it a little. Comes out easily. Do it on this side as well. Then on the side as well. And boom, comes out. Figure looks like this. These are movable. Okay, I was playing with him too much. His feet attaches there easily. So there. His feet are quite thin. See, attaches properly. Same here. So he doesn't have alternate shoes. So the shoes can move front and back. You can twist it. Same here. You can see the detail here. There's a socks as well. So this is his hands. Lupin can move his head. Even all 360 degrees. Even his jacket is movable. Check out the chair. You can actually, it becomes a folding chair. Look at that. Boom. Look at the detail that they have there. Then Lupin has his own table. You can have him sitting down easily there. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is.